Well, it sucks and I hate to say it, but we sold the truck. I'm happy, but I'm sad at the same time. So the guy's coming right now. Let me just show you guys. I mean, this thing was a beast. Love this truck. So much work done to it. Absolutely incredible. But on to bigger and better things. Got to start with my business first. So finished up cleaning the rest of the truck. And yeah, so this is the last time you'll see this truck on the channel. But yeah, so just want to give you one walk around. I didn't want to sell the mirrors with this, but with all the problems that the guy found with the truck, you know, he says he'd pay so much amount with the bumper or with the grill and the mirrors. I think I told you before that I wasn't going to sell them with the truck, but he says that's the offer. So sucks. But well, like I said, on to bigger and better things. So big things coming. One less payment that I have to worry about. You know, it was about like a $500 payment, which I didn't mind paying, but if I could put $500 towards my business, then that's what I'm gonna do. So having to get rid of the truck, you know, it sucks because I had a bunch of good memories and everything, you know, with a couple of races that we did or whatnot. But you know, the new owner that's gonna take it, he's gonna enjoy it, I hope. And that sound right there, you guys, that's the owner in the truck right now. So I just got the check right here. I had my fun. I enjoyed it. I really did. It was a good truck. Really, I'm gonna miss it for sure. You know, with all the work I put into it personally, with the with the paint wise, I should say, taking it down to go get powder coat and everything. I mean, it was fun. There it is. Well, like I said, it's time to hustle, it's time to stay focused. But you know, there's a piece of me that'll be in that truck. I enjoyed it. You know, my wife always wanted me to get rid of it, so I mean, I think she got her wish. But you know, in a way, I think she'll miss it just a little bit too. So, you know, she rode in it while she was pregnant with our daughter, and I know my daughter enjoyed it because every time I would romp on the gas pedal or the gas pedal, it would she would start moving in her tummy. So that memory will always stay in my head. So that truck will always have a piece of me in it, you know, and I hope the new owner really enjoys it. I really do. But time to move on. So no work on here today. I forgot my hammer, so I need to go get my body hammer. But like I said, we're just trying to get everything all settled down and in there. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just gonna make this a quick video. Everyone's messaging me right now. Why am I selling it? Why am I you know, who would I sell it to? Is it gonna stay local? Is it gonna go away? Honestly, I don't know where he lives. I'm thinking he lives around here, maybe around Rexburg or even Blackfoot area. So I might be showing around here. What else? Reason why I sold it, I think I told you guys earlier, is that one less payment means, you know, I can put more money into my business and I can put more money into other bills that I have. So just trying to be a little bit more debt free than what I am, you know, with having one truck less. Yeah, who knows? Maybe later down in the future, maybe I'll own that truck once again, but who knows? But for now, it's sold, it's gone. And I think I'm gonna go home and cry. Just kidding, but yeah, I'll probably be depressed for tonight, but you know, I'll be back at it here tomorrow. So tomorrow's agenda, We're gonna hurry up and finish these, get this all sanded down here in the middle once we're done sanding there, and then we can go on, probably fix these dents tomorrow as well and be done with it. So like I said, we did have a couple wobbles, like I said, a couple dents. There's like one kind of right here, another one right here as well. I don't know, I think it was a pretty straight car. Or another one right here. I shouldn't say it's a pretty straight car just because of all the work they were doing, but it will be straight once we're done. So yeah, like I said, I mean, yeah, my mind's kind of going a little bit crazy just because of that truck. But you know, we talked a little bit. The guy was hooked right when he first drove it, is what he told me. But like I said, he took some samples, oil samples, stuff like that, just to see how everything looked, to see if there was no basically metal shavings into the motor, which it was rebuilt. There is a couple things. He said the turbo was going out, and he also said there was a leak, so he wanted to get those fixed. But for that, you know, we had to negotiate on the price just a little bit. So yeah, I wasn't going to sell the grill, and I wasn't going to sell the mirrors, but you know, with all the work that he needed to do to it, and you know, the price just wasn't too far off, so I just ended up just leaving it with him. It sucks, you know, I should have hurried up on my part, should have hurried up, put the old grill on and put the old mirrors on, but oh well, you know, I mean, the way that truck sits, there's no way that anyone can imitate it around here, just for the fact that no one's done it, which is why I did it. So that's the other thing on that. But yeah, it's gone. So the truck's gone. Yeah, so man, what a wild ride. That truck was a beast around here. One of the fastest trucks. I wouldn't say it was the fastest truck. I want to say it was one of the top 5 trucks around here that no one could touch it, you know. But yeah, like I said, you know, focus on the business, pay off a little bit more debt, and yeah, so that's going to be it for this video, guys. Until next time, see you around.